Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Breville Barista Express with us today, and pretty much it came into the shop because those jammy beans inside the grinder. As you can see, these are the older burrs. We replaced the top burrs. Now I've been testing it for at least an hour now, making multiple shots with it, and it hasn't jammed yet. So we think we resolved the issue. So we're going to do a test shot. We're going to test all the functions either way by starting first with a test shot. And we did clean out the grinder thoroughly. We're using our test coffee for this test. We're going to make a double shot. Alright. See, you grind well. Now we're going to tamp it. And I haven't messed with the settings on this grind yet, so you could get these results when you get home. See, we're all tamped. We're going to do a test shot. As you can see, running well. It should stop around here. It is getting to the espresso range, so the pressure is good on this one. Then we're going to test hot water. As you can see, a steady stream of hot water comes out, so that's working well. Then we're going to test the steam function. By turning it on, it should shoot water for a little bit. And now it's going to start to pump out steam. There's that steam for you. And everything's working well. And that's all for this repair. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.